I know you are busy, but if you have 5 minutes, you can learn Spanish vocabulary like a pro. Hola amigos, Julio Foppoli here. Although there may be hundreds of words for every single topic, in everyday conversation people only use 5 to 10 words tops. In this video series we'll be learning that key conversational vocabulary that people use all the time. This video series will teach you how to describe human beings physically in 5 minutes or less. In today's video we'll learn the names of the organs in our bodies. Let's get started. Blood, sangre. Heart, corazón. Stomach, estómago. Lungs, pulmones. Liver, hígado. Kidneys, riñones. Prostate, próstata. Lips, labios. Brain, cerebro. Uterus, útero. Joint, articulación. Tooth, diente. Skin, piel. Vessel, vaso sanguíneo. And this is all for today. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet, and click on the notification bell so every time I upload new lessons you'll be the first one to know. Make it a point to learn all of these phrases, no excuses. If you have 5 minutes you can do it. My name is Julio Foppoli, and remember, I want you to speak Spanish like a pro. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.